Take a look at this Python script. Almost every real-world application needs configuration information to run, whether that is a database password, an API key, or a secret key to secure user sessions. A common mistake is writing these values directly into the source code, assigning a database password straight into a variable, just like this. This might seem harmless locally, but it creates a specific security risk the moment you share that code. Whether you are pushing your project to GitHub or sending it to a teammate, anyone with access to the repository now has your actual credentials. To prevent these leaks from happening, developers rely on a package built to solve this exact problem, python-dotenv. By the end of this episode, you will have the workflow to strip all hard-coded secrets from your scripts, making your project code-ready for version control and safe sharing with other developers. The 12-factor app methodology requires a strict separation between application logic, the code, and environment variables, the configuration. Keeping them separated allows the exact same code to run locally, on a testing server, and in production, without requiring any modifications to the script itself. We have spent the last 4 episodes mastering environment isolation and dependency management. Environment-based configuration completes the foundation set of skills required to manage a professional project. To get started, as shown in the terminal on the right, install the package using the command pip install python-dotenv. If you are using Poetry, you would run poetry add python-dotenv. Next, navigate to your project's root folder and create a new configuration file. Name it simply .env. Pay close attention to the file name here. It requires a leading dot and no file extension. It is not env.txt, and it is not env.py. It is just .env. Inside this new file, you write your configuration values using a simple key equals value format. Place your database password here, keeping in mind that each individual secret requires its own separate line. With that step complete, your sensitive data is now physically isolated, locked safely away from your core application scripts. Now we need to pull that isolated data back into our application at runtime. Return to your Python script and delete the hard-coded password. At the very top of your file, add 2 required imports. From .env, import load.env, and the built-in operating system module, import os. Step 1 is to call the load.env function. This must execute before any other logic runs to read your .env file. Step 2 is to assign your variable by fetching it from the environment. You use os.environ.get, followed by the exact key name. Execute your script in the terminal to verify the connection. The application connects and functions exactly as it did before. Your application logic is restored, but it is now pulling data dynamically from the environment, rather than storing it statically in your source code. We are not done yet. If you commit your new .env file to version control, your secrets will be permanently exposed to anyone with access to your repository history. To prevent this, open or create your .getignore file and add .env to it. This ensures Git will ignore your configuration file during the staging process. You can easily verify this by running git status in your terminal. As shown here, the .env file no longer appears in the list of files ready to be tracked. While this clearly keeps your data safe, it creates a documentation gap. If the configuration file is hidden, your teammates won't know which variables they need to provide to run the application. The professional solution is to create a template file alongside your project, named .env.example. Inside it, list every variable name your application expects, but leave the actual values blank. You can safely commit this example file. Your project is now secure locally, invisible to Git, yet clearly documented for any future collaborators. When we compare these 2 scripts, the logic functions the same way, but the sensitive values no longer exist within the source code itself. As you structure your projects, keep your files separated by their distinct purposes. Your requirements file describes the packages your project needs to exist, while your .env file describes the runtime data those packages need to function. When you deploy to professional hosting platforms like Heroku or AWS, you generally bypass the physical .env file entirely. Instead, you input these keys directly into their secure provider dashboards, which provide the variables to your app at runtime. This vertical stack represents the professional toolkit we've built. These tools let you install dependencies, isolate projects, manage reproducibility, and handle configuration safely. With this foundation, we move into data and numerical computing, starting with NumPy, the foundational library for the Python data science ecosystem. You are now equipped to build, isolate, and secure a professional Python project. If this foundations block has been useful, make sure you are subscribed for the remaining 95 packages in this series. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.